Hey everybody, Heather from Pickin here. We have our last and final bulk pallet that we have in this warehouse, but don't worry, we have more en route. So this is supposed to be home decor and some outdoor stuff. I paid $400 for it, and that's with shipping and everything. It manufactured suggested retail price is $2,200. So in the stores, this stuff would have been $2,200. I paid $400. Let's see if there's any money in it. So let's go ahead and unbox it. Alright, well, I'm all decked out in football fan gear because it's the first home game tonight. Got my earrings, got my bracelet, got my football shirt. So
she's an excited
I'm a football mom. Alright, so James is playing tonight, so I'm super excited. So praying he doesn't get hurt and nobody else on the team gets hurt. Alright. Alrighty. There we go. These are so secure. Hey, but the blue wrapping really does do a good job. So we're just gonna go ahead and cut these.
I think those probably just kept it in place to get the blue wrapping, really.
Oh, it's all one big strand. All right. Let's find out what's in these. So we're gonna, that's really heavy. We're gonna carry these back to the box. We unboxed already these other two pallets, and so you'll see some of those items already on the table. And so we have, we're just gonna unbox this and use whatever available space to get this all done. All right, so here is big heavy one.
Getting crammed in here, aren't we?
Yes, we are. Just trying to see the best way to open this one. It looks like it's some sort of a crate of some sort, but I really am curious to see what it looks like, especially because it looks like it's open. All right. I think I can maybe go this way with it. That one side. Still stuck, I think.
You can do it, Heather. We believe in you.
Alright. It says set of 2 crates. Okay.
Looks like we'll be building them crates.
So here's all the hardware. They're really
like kind of a rustic wood crate.
Yeah, this is probably just like the seal for the end here.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's cool.
It'll be something for our son to build at some point.
Yep. There's the front handle.
Getting a large stack of stuff we have to build.
Oh my goodness. He needs to be done with football so he can build some stuff. Alright, so there's that.
We're going backwards, everyone.
Alright. Let's just open this one right here. See how we open it. I think this is the top.
Looks like it with the writing.
Yeah.
It's like a lawnmower over there.
We need a lawnmower for the store. All right.
Ooh.
Okay, item not as described. All right, that's actually a good thing when we get this, because if it said broken, that would be discouraging. But basically they ordered something and didn't get what they had anticipated, which just might be a matter of taste. It's a bowl, I think.
It's a large hunk of wood.
Oh my word, it's so heavy.
Look at that thing, huh? There you go. There's a fall decor.
Yes, it is. This is really heavy. I don't know that we'll put this on the fire sale, but we'll see. I don't know that it would break.
It'd probably go in the store pretty well, actually.
Yeah. All right. Set this up.
Could just slide that off to the other pallet.
I'm trying to get it in the box so I can close the box.
I totally am with you.
There we go.
It is a neat piece, though.
It is a cool piece. You know, you never know what you're going to get. It's super odd and unique, everything that we get in these pallets. All right.
The bell on our door broke.
Yes.
So we have a makeshift bell that we're listening for.
Another box.
Mystery. Oh.
Ooh. See, electronics.
I wonder, did this box have a picture on it?
You want me to pull this box out?
Yeah, I'm wondering if it had a picture on it at all. No, it doesn't.
Okay.
Because what in the world is
We
that
have
thing?
a remote.
We do. This is a DVR or something?
Let's just open this and see.
Well, that's a Ziploc bag. That's not a
I know,
manufacturer
but
bag.
it's going to have the manual in it.
Genius. What
It's a
is
wireless
that?
BT streaming home theater receiver.
There you go. $1,000.
So it's basically the surround sound amplifier system. $1,000.
Okay, cool.
Alright.
Puts some padded back well.
Yes.
We might be able to sell that on a fire sale.
Yeah, maybe.
Always the big question is, does it work? And that's hard to know completely. But try to discount it pretty good.
It is a mower.
Look at that.
It's an electric mower.
Electric lawnmower. Does it drive by itself? Please tell me it drives by itself.
Like a Roomba, basically?
Like a Roomba lawnmower. That's what
think
we
so.
need.
Alright.
Look at
do
this
you plug
thing.
it in? Or do you just charge
Probably
it?
just has a battery. You know what I mean?
Well, my mom had a lawnmower you plugged in because she just lived in a mobile home, so she had a yard that was tiny.
I wonder if I can get rid of this sticker. Boom.
Corded
Corded?
lawnmower, so it is a
Corded
plug-in.
lawnmower?
Yep.
You do plug it in.
I would totally mow over the cord.
You could mow over your cord, man.
I would totally mow over the cord. Well, you know what? Some people just have a small little area, and that's all they need.
Yep.
Because, like I said, my
Like
mom
you
used
said,
one
your
of
mom
these.
had that too?
Yeah.
Extension cord not included. Here we go.
So,
Electric lawnmower.
there you go.
Please don't hurt yourself.
There. All right. What is this? This box has seen better days.
It has.
This is a very large box. I have a feeling it's going to be a very heavy piece of furniture. Well, maybe not. Actually lighter than I thought. All right. Well, we're going to leave this on its side, and I'm going to see if I can pull out whatever's in it. Wait, what does it say? It says it's a bistro table. Should we just pull it out and look
Bistro
at
table. Why don't you just cut that line there and then see if we can't find the book or something, because it might be hard to see everything.
It was.
A
I was going to
bistro
lean it
table.
forward.
Oh, is that what you're going to do? Yeah, go for
I
it.
can't really reach it.
No problem.
There we go.
Now, that'd be probably pretty hard to find the
I
book
wonder
there.
if you could just look at it through the hole in the box.
Yeah, well, that's probably a good idea, too.
Listen, we're on an adventure here.
There we are. See, was that like green? Teal?
It's
What is
teal.
that? Teal.
The tag says.
Well, there's something. It's got the actual tag still with it.
Iron mosaic. Ooh,
Have a
it's a
picture?
mosaic. No, it doesn't.
Is there a piece of paper right over there? See it there?
No.
There you go. Boom.
It says did not want or need.
Well, that's good.
Okay.
That's a good sign, though.
Okay, let's just do this.
Yeah, it's definitely been returned, but the did not want or need is always a good sign. Doesn't mean like it came with a large scratch over it, you know, or pieces missing or broken. Holy cow. Oh, look at that,
Yeah,
Heather.
that's why I wanted to pull out. It said it was mosaic.
Look at that.
This definitely has to go in the store because it's very heavy.
That's beautiful, though.
Here, I bet I can stand it up.
Again, does it just
Yeah, it just folds out.
folds out just like that? Well, look at that. While we look at this beautiful piece, you want to go check the front of the store?
Yeah, make sure we don't have any.
I'm wondering, like, is it a little bit of chip paint? Maybe. I don't know if it's meant to look like that. I'm going to guess not. But this is really pretty. That is cool. Reminds me of, we went to, oh goodness, Epcot. And there's a whole, you know, every culture has a section. And we went to the South American section, and it was just, they had these cool looking pyramids and all kinds of neat stuff, and had all kinds of little designs like this. They had a restaurant in there. Man, that looked like a cool place to eat too.
All right.
Okay, cool.
I'm just going to leave this right here.
Yeah, do it.
This is going to go right out in the store.
Great.
All right. This says dimensions.
Big.
Yes.
Large.
Oh, it's a set. Look, I think.
Set?
It's like a table set. Look.
Yes,
3
it
pieces,
is.
metal, dining set.
Well, look at that. 2 chairs and a table.
Yep.
Beautiful.
All right.
All right.
Just pull this
We'll
off
have to build that. Try to give you guys a look at that once we get it all built.
Some of the furniture stuff. We sold
Yep.
the white bench, the really pretty PVC white bench you saw a few weeks ago.
And another fire pit sold. We've sold 2 fire pits.
Here's a smaller evaporative air cooler.
That's, we have one just like that.
We need to put
in the
both
store
of
right
them in
now.
the store.
One of them's already out there. I put that
Okay,
out this
well,
morning.
we can put this one out there too.
Great.
All right. What else we got?
Is that a camping chair?
Creative outdoor. Yeah. No,
Just
it's not a chair. I think it's bigger than that. These are in the way. I think
Camping love seat?
It's a camping love seat.
Camping love seat. That's what you need.
Oh, I love it. Should I get it out and just... It's too long to ship. We're going to put it together, right?
It's totally up to you.
Let's get it out and look at it. I've never seen myself. Always cut towards you, folks.
Yeah, do not watch us for safety in any kind of knife work.
Yes, because I'm the worst.
Or you could use this as a safety video of what not to do.
Don't do what Heather Hooks does on her Tom Pickin. Okay. Let's see what comes out. Whew, this is an awkward box.
Real heavy?
Not horrible. Okay, so it's got its own bag.
It's always good.
Oh, there's a little bit of wear right there. Just because of the
Is
end
there?
of the thing. But I think we could probably just set it up out there with the bag and then put it at a discounted price.
Okay.
Just curious.
I've never heard of a love seat. But look at that. That's exactly what that is.
Love seat camping chair. And look,
It's a love
this
seat
has,
camping chair.
so it looks like there's supposed to be something that snaps in here. Oh, this is ripped too.
Oh, it is.
Yeah, it's really unsellable, I think.
Yeah.
And it had like over here, it had like the little umbrella holders for shade.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, it's in rough shape. Definitely can't sell that.
Yeah, a little too much damage on it.
Good thing I opened it all the way.
Somebody might still want it, but...
Yeah. It's disappointing.
Yeah. Okay.
The joys of unexpected returns.
Yep. But the mosaic table is awesome.
But the mosaic table is awesome. All right.
And we now have an electric lawnmower.
Yes. All right. Let's see what's in here.
It sounds like it's rattling around in there.
It sounds metal though, so that gives me hope that it's probably still okay. It's the same color as what we just opened. This says, did not want or need. Might have been returned by the same person.
Beautiful. That's what we like to see. Look, Heather, it is.
Oh.
What is this?
It's a wine rack.
Look at this. Wow.
That's cool.
Gotta sell that as a set, right?
Absolutely we do.
We don't have the chairs to, do we?
That would be awesome. We did unbox that blue rocking chair and those other blue side tables. Though.
Yeah, I know. I've got so much I gotta build and put out there.
We're totally gonna make a scene.
Yeah, you are. Make a scene.
Make a scene. I'm always into
Heather
making scenes.
likes to make a scene, everybody. You heard it here.
Everywhere I go, I make a scene.
The box has been crushed on the side.
Ooh.
What do we got in there, Heather?
Well, let's see. We're gonna find. It's open.
Oh, that's open already. Well,
Okay.
that was handy.
Yep. Convenient for us. Plow and hearth.
Plow and hearth. Good.
What?
Ooh.
Ooh, it's cracked.
Oh, is it?
Totally destroyed.
Totally destroyed something.
See?
Yeah, it is. It looks like a fake wood bird bath, maybe?
Yeah. That's exactly what it is.
That is a bummer. I think you have the top.
Do you think it is that one piece for the top?
No, I think you have to...
Flip it over.
Yeah. Yep. That would have been a cool piece, man.
But it's all
Yeah.
cracked right there.
Yeah, not a lot you can do with that, is there?
Yep.
That's a bummer, man.
It's a huge bummer.
Unexpected returns, man. That's how it rolls.
But we have a mosaic table.
Yeah, we do.
And
Well, we paid $400 for the pallet. So between these two here, we've got the electric lawnmower, we've got the dehumidifier, evaporator deal.
as
we've
far
got
as, sellable on the fire sale, I think really it's
this
only
table
got-
here is probably going to be good. This table and chairs is probably going to be good here too.
Yeah, I don't think anything is for the fire sale though.
Well, I got a ton already set for the
We
fire
do.
sale. And I
We
just
do.
got these boxes over here, which is a lot of the toys and whatnot, kind of stocking
I
stuffers.
also have an 888 lots box in my trunk.
Oh, you
So
do?
we have some of that stuff too.
Okay.
So we'll probably throw some of that on the fire sale.
Sounds great.
All right. Well, thanks for joining us for this happy unboxing.
Yeah.
Yay. All right. It'll be fun at the football game, so pray for no injuries. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. Would you like to make tons of money selling on Poshmark? Well, check out my new ebook, How to Create a Profitable Poshmark Store. Why do we sell on Poshmark? Where to get my inventory? How to create my first listing? How to sell my items? And then, of course, I give you also all my secrets on my top tips. If you'd like to purchase this ebook, just go to hookedonpickin.com or click the link in the description below. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.